Alright peeps, we're here at Ramenagi today for our
Third
third food vlog for this
food
trip.
trip.
Food trip. So we ordered Wonder Cancun.
It's the chef recommendation here at Ramenagi.
So you might want to have a look. Let's see that amazing, what do you call that? Ramen pork.
Pork shoulder.
It's very, very enticing. This is one of our favorite food places in Manila.
So we'll enjoy our lunch. Itadakimasu.
It's already 2 p.m. in the afternoon.
It's a late lunch.
Late lunch because we had a very stressful morning.
Itadakimasu, everyone.
Arigatou gozaimasu.